Pagpasok po ni Senator Revilla dun sa court sa Sandigan Bayan, dun na po nagtatapos yung inyong connection, no? But do you plan to visit him, sir, in the Quezon City Jail?
Again, sabi ko naman, this is my last gesture of friendship to you. Dadalhin ka din dito habang hindi ka pa arin. So, pag sir no warrant, nag-surrender siya, sabi ko ako na maghahatid sa'yo. As far as it goes, hindi na muli pag-uusap na.
Does it somehow affect you emotionally?
Of course.
Or
Sino dito may kaibigan na nakulong? It pains me to see a friend go to jail. But my commitment to country goes beyond any friendship in this country. Unahin ko muna ang bansa kahit na nangyari.
thank you, sir.
Pareho na rin yan kay Speaker Martin Romualdez. Was very close to me in college. Fraternity brothers kami. But my brother and I, pareho kami, lahat kami sa isang fraternity. Masakit sa amin yan kasi marami kami pinagsamahan. Pero unahin natin lagi ang bansa. We have a fidelity to duty and it cannot be broken by friendship and by brotherhood. It is commitment to country, it is our commitment to the President, it is our commitment to our country.